Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into MVB Financial Corp's latest filing, and let me tell you, it's a bit like finding out your bank is trying to be a tech company while also holding onto your grandma's savings account. A strange mix, right? Before we get started, if you appreciate getting straightforward insights from corporate filings, make sure to subscribe. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. Come join us. MVB Financial Corp filed this report with the Securities and Exchange Commission. It's called a Form 8K, which companies use to tell investors about big news or events that could matter to them. In this case, it's about an investor presentation. What is Regulation FD? It means companies have to share important information with everyone at the same time, not just a select few. MVB is sharing slides they're using in investor meetings. Basically, they're trying to keep everyone in the loop. The main event here is the investor presentation itself. These presentations are designed to get investors excited about the company, its strategy, and its future. They usually highlight the good stuff and try to downplay any potential problems. Now let's dig a bit into what this might mean. Investor presentations are all about selling a story. Companies use them to paint a picture of growth, stability, and innovation. But it's important to remember that it's just one side of the story. We need to look at the actual numbers and compare them to what the company is saying to see if it all adds up. This report itself doesn't give us numbers, but hints that the company is trying to sell a story to investors. Let's put this in context. MVB Financial is a bank holding company, meaning they own banks and other financial businesses. They're operating in a changing world where technology is becoming more and more important in finance. Okay, now let's switch gears and offer some thoughts. What does all of this mean for MV Financial? First, the strengths. By actively engaging with investors and keeping everyone informed, MVB is trying to build trust. This can help them attract new investors and keep the ones they already have happy. Also, it shows they are thinking about the future. If they are talking to investors about new products, it might signal innovation, which is really important in banking these days. But there are also potential weaknesses. Investor presentations are often very positive. It is hard to tell if things are going as planned and whether to believe the projections that the company provide in those presentations. It will be important to find real data to back up these claims. Also, banking is a very competitive business. There are big national banks, smaller community banks, and now lots of tech companies trying to get into the game. MVB needs to find a way to stand out. What are the notable risks or opportunities? One big risk for MVB is that the economy could change. If interest rates go up or down a lot, or if there's a recession, it could really hurt their business. But there are also opportunities. They could grow by buying other banks or by expanding into new markets. The investor presentation might mention that they are working to grow or innovate. To wrap it up, MVB Financial is working to keep investors happy and adapt to a changing world. The investor presentation is a key part of that effort, but it's important to look beyond the hype and see what's really going on with the company. Alright, that's our breakdown of MVB Financial's latest filing. What's your take on these moves and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.